Jay, make it move.
May the force be with you.
What? I am your father.
Bruh.
That was kind of corny. YouTube! I am your family. What's good, man? What's going on with y'all? It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy here, back again with another early look, y'all. I feel like I've been doing a lot of early looks lately. Maybe I'm catching up on those droughts I was telling y'all I was on, man. It was a while. I took a break from early looks. It wasn't, you know, intentionally. It just, no stores were getting any shoes, but we back on the ball, man. I need y'all to go crazy. Hit that thumbs up, start it off the right way, man. We got to shoot this releasing in May, and yes, may the force be with you, because we already in the month of May over here, man. But if this is your first time rocking out with your boy Jay and the family, look, we stay in the future over here. That's all I gotta say. We stay in the future. We do early looks, we do vlogs, we do on feats, we do styling, we do it all over here, man. So this will be your one-stop shop for any sneaker related content and news, mainly Nike and Jordan brand. I ain't even gonna cap. I ain't gonna cap, man. We might talk about some hype releases outside of Nike and Jordan brand, but we really be getting down with the Nike and Jordan brand stuff. But if you like anything such as that, man, make sure you stick around. Hit that subscribe button down below. Ladies and gents, man, we recently hit 194K. Shout out to all the OGs. Shout out to all the new members of the family, man. We are continuously growing on a daily basis. We are that much closer to 200K, man. So we gonna hit that slowly but surely. My goal was May, but hey, man, we might hit it a month later, 2 months later. I am with it as long as we hit it, man. I truly appreciate all y'all. But like I did say, man, if you are a first time, second time, third time, so on and so forth viewer, and you haven't jumped on the board yet, y'all, hey, we need y'all to rock out with us, man. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, let me know that you are new so I can welcome you into the family the right way. OG signed off in the comment section real quick one time. Y'all already know the vibes, but yes, we gotta shoot this releasing in May. Before we get into it, y'all, we must make sure that y'all travel the only way. Shout out to Soul Premise, bang! You see what's going on, man. Today I got this premium black bag, y'all, man. This one has been one of my go-tos of late. Y'all already know, if you have been watching, you know my go-to is the duffel, y'all, but this duffel hit a little bit different, man. Take a look at that premium leather, man. This bag can only be found online. Hey, I broke the news to y'all about a week or so ago. Soul Premises bags are officially in stores, y'all. However, bags such as this one and several others are only online, and the perk to that is that by simply clicking the link down below, you can get one of these and you can save on them, y'all. Like, look, a bag like this for right around $100 is a steal, y'all. This is a travel size bag. You can get a 3 to 4 day trip in here easily, you know what I'm saying? This one right here is fully customizable. On the inside, take a sneak peek right there. You do have a couple zippers. Look, we do not just secure the bag, we secure the shoes, man. And by that, they mean inside here, y'all. Like I said, it is a fully customizable. I didn't even know I had things in here, y'all. Look, man, shout out to Nigel. We got Bike Air stuff in here still with the tags on it, y'all. But I'm always stuffing these bags down. Like I said, it does have a customizable feature on the inside where you can take out these dividers and space them how you want to space them. So if you want to have one divider here, another one, and just fill them up with shoes, you can do that. Or you can have a big space like what I have right here and just throw a whole bunch of miscellaneous things in there. But you also have storage in the back. You see that big space right there in the back? You got storage space on the front, y'all. Take a look at that, man. Look. Bag secured, y'all. Soul Premise approved, bag secured. But you also have zippers on the side, zippers on that side, man. Then there is a pocket also in the back, y'all. So this one right here is one of my favorites because it's not so big, but it packs a punch. You can take this one right alongside with you on the plane, bro. Look at that. Look how compact this is, y'all. And you can hold, like I said, a 3 to 4 day trip in here. This is the perfect gym bag. It is just the perfect bag for me, man. And it is very, you know, just low key. This black on black color right here with that nice premium leather, one of my favorite ones, man. Clean. Make sure you tap in. Like I said, the link is down below. If you have a local Hibbett Sports in your area, stop in. You might see a daily commuter or something of that sort inside that store, man. Make sure you get you one. Like I said, you will not know how handy these bags are unless you try one out, man. Definitely tap in. Use the link down below if you want to save some money. Almost half off, y'all. I've been giving y'all that code for I don't even know how long, man. Take advantage. If you don't have one, don't know what you're waiting on, but they have different colors, different shapes, different sizes. My wife's even on board, man, and she is a hard one to please. And like I said, she has a little Soul Premise collection going on in there, man. So make sure you stop by, figure it out, and find it out for yourselves. The link and everything is down below. I'm gonna leave y'all up to that. But today, we gotta get back to the topic, which is some early shoes releasing in May, and I think they're gonna sit. Appreciate you. Bang! As I was telling y'all earlier, may the force be with you. Look, we got a shoe right here, all black box, as you can see. A lot of y'all have been asking me about these on the channel. A lot of y'all. So, hey, your wishes have been granted. I got them right here, man. But this shoe right here is the Air Foamposite One. Colorway is Psychic Blue Black. This is a size 9.5, y'all. Take a look through that hole. You can kind of see a peep of that color. You know what I'm saying? But this is a size 9.5 right there. You can see it. And when it comes to foams, for me in particularly, I go up half size, y'all, because people say that they mold and they shape to your feet. I don't wear my shoes enough for them to mold and shape to my feet. I might wear them once or twice a year. So it might take me 20 years for a shoe to mold to my feet. You feel what I'm saying? So I just go half size up. Gives me a better fit. You can do as you please. Comment down below how you go when it comes to sizing with your Foamposites, y'all. But blacked out box, very, very low key, very stealthy. And that is that on the outside. When you pop off the box lid on this one, you will get nothing on the top of the box lid. White, and on the shoe paper, you do got the Nike branding, which you can't really see from the camera, but take my word for it, y'all. Does got some Nike branding. Any white and green stickers or anything in the box? Nope. Nope. Check. Nope. 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 And ladies and gentlemen, we do have releasing on May 2nd. The Nike Foamposite One Psychic Blues, and these will be 230 bones. Bang! Here we go, y'all. So we do have the Psychic Blue Foamposite, y'all, and these are clean. Like, this is a colorway that I expect to see on Foamposites. Foamposites have a unique tone of colors. No matter what color they're using, they have a unique color tone that they put on all their shoes, and this one fits perfectly with the past Foamposites, y'all. And this is the first time that we have seen this type of colorway on a Foamposite, y'all. So yes, on May 2nd, we will be getting this colorway in a full family size, y'all. Bang! What are your thoughts on these? I think that it is fire, y'all. Very simplistic, 2 colors, just the black and the blue, and I think they hit, man. Y'all let me know. And I tell y'all, it is hard to mess up a UNC blue colorway on any silhouette, y'all, and this one, in my opinion, is another go, y'all. Like I said, man, y'all let me know, what are your thoughts? Are you copping? Are you passing? Like I said, I think these will sit. I don't think that it has enough push behind it. Not to say that it's not a good shoe. It's just May, y'all. May the force be with you, because May is a crazy month, y'all. We have these. We have UNC Jordan 1s. We have Mellow 12s. We have white cement 4s. We have rare Air 3s. And these, you know, and if I had to guess, out of all the things I just mentioned, y'all, these gotta be top 1 or 2 shoes that's gonna get overlooked. And like I said, it's not because it's a bad shoe, it's just because there's too much going on, y'all, and people are not, you know, gonna spend, you know, the last of their money on a Foamposite. They'll wait for these to go on sale, and then they'll grab what's hot for the moment, and that will definitely be either the Mellow 12s or the Cement 4s, and a runner-up might be the UNC 1s. But these are super clean in my opinion. I'm not mad at them, y'all. Take a look at the back. You know, the black back tab, and then you do have the 1 cent back there. This is a nice nubuck, y'all. A nice suede, like soft nubuck going all throughout the ankle collar. Everywhere where you do have the black hits, man. It is very nice, soft, and we do got the carbon fiber hit right there on the bottom. Man, these is clean, bro. Like I said, you cannot mess up a UNC blue colorway shoe, and I think that they knock these out the park, man. This is a clean colorway when it comes to Foamposites. But y'all let me know, what are your thoughts on these? Like I said, when it comes to the Foamposites, y'all, this isn't one of those highly sought after colorways. I want to say before this, y'all, we got, did the Coppers come out before or after the Galaxies? I want to say they came out after. Coppers came out after the Galaxies. Coppers are still sitting, y'all, and we can argue. I would say the Coppers had more demand than these, y'all. So I predict that these will get a good old sale tag on them. So if you're not in any rush to get them, y'all, I would say wait it out. You may be able to get these on sale. Definitely, if you know someone with a swoosh account, you will be able to get these under retail for sure, y'all. Like, these I don't see them selling out, y'all. But who knows? You know, it's 2025. Things have been selling like never before. So who knows? But if I had to guess, y'all, I would say these. Yeah, these is gonna kind of sit around, but definitely a clean colorway, man. The Psychic Blue Foamposite Ones. Comment down below your thoughts and your opinions on these. May 2nd is the release date. They will have these for the whole family. And whenever I hear full family size run on things, it just lets me know that there will be high stock in the shoe. You know what I'm saying? So I just think that there'll be a lot of stock of these, and I just don't think there's that much demand, you know, for this in particular shoe, y'all. And right before these, comment down below, is anyone getting the Jumpman Jacks? Because these released, I want to say 2 days after the Jumpman Jacks. So, you know, I would say the Jumpman Jacks probably would get more attention than these. But y'all let me know. Like I said, man, certain areas, DMV area, I know y'all go crazy with the foams. Y'all might gobble these up. They still might sit, but I think, you know, they might sell better in those type of areas. But in the South, maybe in New York, they might linger around a little bit. And that is what it is, man. But y'all let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Foamposite One Psychic Blue set to be released next month. Is it a cop? Is it a pass? I have some more early looks on the way for y'all, man. Tomorrow, we might talk about a shoe that is releasing this week. It will be an early look as well, y'all. And it's a shoe that I haven't showed y'all yet. So we'll get into that. We got Jordan 11s releasing this week as well, the Bread Lows, and I think those will sell out, y'all. I think that those Bread 11 Lows is gonna shock people, man. If anyone wants a size 10, I got a size 10 available right now. Hit your boy up at JTSG Closet. I'll do y'all basically $20 or $30 above retail, because that's what I paid for it, you know what I'm saying, plus your shipping. But yeah, man, y'all just holler at me, let me know, and I might have a few of these available as well. But y'all let me know what y'all trying to do, what y'all doing with these Cop Pass Psychic Blue Foamposites. If you have watched up to this far, I truly appreciate you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up on the way out, and hit that subscribe button if you ain't already subscribed. But these will sit. I will throw them on feature. I will see a movie on these sometime soon. But that is it, man. Your boy Jay is checking out. Appreciate y'all as always for rocking out with me. Y'all stay blessed. Till the next one, I'm up out of here, y'all. Peace.